Imagine stepping out of your house and instead of roads, you see rivers. This isn't a movie scene. This is how our cities feel every day. Today we're gonna explore how urban flooding is not just about heavy rainfalls, but also how we design our cities. Urban flooding occurs when rainwater cannot drain properly due to poor drainage system and unplanned land use. But in natural environment, the soil absorbs that rain. But in cities, concrete replace nature. So where does the water go? It stays.
Hi, we are from Mumbai, one of the most urban cities in India.
Every monsoon, even a few hours of rainfall can flood roads, stop trains, and disrupt life.
This happens mainly because of cities' outdated drainage systems which were designed decades ago.
Moreover, constructions on wetland and coastal areas has reduced natural water absorption, making flooding worse.
We are from Varanasi, a historic city along Ganga.
Flooding here is increasing due to rapid urbanization and poor planning.
Narrow lanes, encroachments, and blocked drains prevent water from flowing properly.
Even a small rainfall can cause waterlogging in many areas.
Urban flooding, causes and solutions. Urban flooding is no longer just a weather event. It is a design failure demanding immediate attention. The primary cause is the grey jungle, where concrete and asphalt act as impermeable surfaces. In a natural forest, the ground acts like a sponge, but in a city, 90% of rainwater becomes instant runoff. This massive volume of water heads for our drainage systems, which are often decades old and undersized. Plastic pollution and trash further clog these vital arteries, leaving the water nowhere to go but up. Poor land use planning makes the crisis worse by building developments directly on natural floodplains. By destroying wetlands, we have removed the Earth's natural safety valves that once stored excess water. The first solution is embracing sponge cities through blue-green infrastructure. Rain gardens and bioswales are designed to capture, filter, and store runoff where it lands. We must also switch to permeable pavements that allow water to breathe through the ground. Modern technology like GIS mapping helps planners identify high-risk zones and enforce stricter zoning. Protecting our natural drainage paths is the most cost-effective way to prevent future disasters. We cannot stop the rain, but through smarter planning, we can build cities that thrive with the water. By redesigning our urban world today, we can ensure a safer, greener, and more resilient future.
Urban flooding is not just a natural disaster, but it is also a man-made problem. And that means
हम इसका समाधान निकाल सकते हैं.
अशी कर सकते हैं.
आपण ह्याला नक्कीच सोडवू शकतो.
हम इसका समाधान ढूंढ सकते हैं.
So आपण हे नक्कीच सोडवू शकतो.
আমরা এটা সমাধান করতে পারি.
we can solve it.